Michael Googe. I'm one of the local hosts for the Worldwide Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I'm helping host the Asheville, North Carolina ride. We've got probably 140 riders signed up. Worldwide, there'll be 100,000 riders riding today to raise funds and awareness for men's mental health and men's prostate health.
Hi, I'm Ed Carroll, and I'm the host for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride here in Asheville. I've been doing this for 10 years. 10 years ago, I got involved because I am a prostate cancer survivor. A Vietnam veteran, Agent Orange, got to me, and when I heard this whole thing started, I really got interested. It's a great cause. People have really, $37 million I think we've collected so far, and right here in Asheville, we've done over $60,000. So it's really a great thing, and I'm so happy that people are coming out for it, because it's a great cause. Bottom line, it's a great cause. So thank you, all of you. You're late.
Hi, my name is Eric Kreiner, and I'm an official co-host of the DGR Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2023. I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who came out, supported, and donated. I'm out here because I've got a passion for motorcycling, especially vintage stuff. Got a grandfather who was just diagnosed with prostate cancer, so this is near and dear to me. I made it out here with my father and my girlfriend and some best friends of mine, so I'm happy to come out and support and be a part of this great community, and hopefully we'll have another great ride. Thank you, and we'll see you guys next year.
Hey, one very important question before we go. What kind of bike are you riding?
I'm riding a 1972 CB450 chopper. It's a 1970s Survivor. Brought it to life a couple weeks ago, and here we are, chopping and ropping.
All right, good deal. Have a good ride, man. Thanks for participating.
Thanks for coming out.
My name's Alan Fox.
I heard that you are the top rider.
Wow.
The top fundraiser.
That's awesome.
That is awesome, man. So what makes you interested in this event? Why are you passionate about this?
Well, I have 3 high school buddies that all have prostate cancer. I've lost an uncle to prostate cancer, and it's really touched our family. I have family members with prostate cancer, so it seemed like a good cause.
Awesome. Well, I do have another very important question. What are you riding today?
I'm riding a 1969 Honda CB450.
Really cool. Well, I'll check your bike out here in a little bit.
Awesome.
Have a good ride today. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
man? What's your name?
Mike Cooper.
Mike Cooper, and you're here at the Asheville Distinguished Gentleman's Ride today.
Yes.
And I understand that you're one of the top riders, one of the top fundraisers.
Yes, that's what they're telling me.
That's pretty cool. So why are you passionate about this, man? What's got you here today?
Oh, I think this is an excellent event to raise awareness for men's mental health and prostate cancer. And plus it's a good opportunity to get out here, meet other people, meet other riders, and enjoy a good day.
Good deal. So I do have one more very important question for you.
Mm-hmm.
What are you riding?
I'm riding a 2011 Triumph Rocket 3.
Oh,
Roadster.
That's got a big gigantic motor on it.
It's got a good sized motor, yeah.
Awesome. All right, well have a good ride today, and thanks for being here and helping for the cause.
Thank you.
Have a good day, man.
Said I was in my early 40s with a lot of life.
So, Mike, why are you passionate about this cause, man?
Well, you know, I really like the vintage aspect of bikes. It's kind of fun to dress up and ride for a good cause. And, you know, mental health is something a lot of men struggle with and they're not very vocal about. And it's just a nice way to show support. And anybody who's ridden motorcycles know the mental health benefits of being on a bike. You know, all your troubles just kind of drift behind you when you're riding. So we want to kind of celebrate that.
So for people that don't know anything about this ride, I see you're wearing a fancy vest and a bow tie, and so what's all that about?
Yes, this ride started over a decade ago, and it was actually inspired by a photo of the actor John Hamm from Mad Men. There was a publicity photo of him dressed in a suit on a motorcycle, and it began in Australia where a bunch of guys would dress up and ride their vintage bikes kind of for fun and raise some money, and it quickly went worldwide. So now this ride is held in over 120 countries, 900 cities on the same day around the world every year.
Everybody wearing their vintage clothes and riding their vintage bikes.
Yeah, that's the idea. You know, we don't turn anybody away. So if you're on a modern bike and regular clothes, that's fine. But, you know, that's part of the charm and the fun of this is, you know, dressing up in crazy outfits and, you know, riding. And we ride through sort of a metropolitan area usually and wave at the crowds. We'll be going through Asheville's River Arch district. So there's lots of pedestrians and bicyclists and stuff that will see us and wonder, why are we wearing these crazy outfits and riding? And then, you know, maybe they'll hear about it.
All right, Mike, thanks for sharing your passion. Have a good ride today.
Great, thank you.
When a moment came that stopped me on a dime, I spent most of the next days looking at the x-rays, talking about the options and talking about sweet time. I asked him when it sank in that this might really be the real end. How's it hit you when you get that kind of news? Man, what'd you do? And he said, I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Manchu, and I loved deeper, and I spoke sweeter, and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. He said I was finally the husband, and most of the time I wasn't. And I became a friend would like to have. And all of a sudden going fishing wasn't such an imposition. And I went 3 times that year, I lost my dad. Well, I finally read the good book, and I took a good long hard look at what I'd do if I could do it all again. And then I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went